So overall, I highly recommend this garage light. You can really use it for your room. You can use it anywhere that you want to add some very nice accent lighting. Let's take a look inside the box here to see what we get. We got a bunch of these plastic connectors. Installation instructions, super simple. And then we've got the actual rods itself, lots of them. We've got zip ties. We've got these little pieces right here to go ahead and actually install this on the wall or surface that you're putting them on. 2 gloves for installation, some ties here, and the actual cord. And again, you got a lot of these. So to go ahead and create the hexagonal part of the light, you're going to want this 2-piece connectors. There's also 3-way connectors to connect multiple hexagons to each other. But it basically just slides in to the connector. As you can see, there are some metal contacts down there and some metal contacts right there. For the final connector, I want to use a 3-way connector so I can go ahead and plug this thing into the wall. As you can see, I simply just slid this onto those metal contacts right there. I went ahead and plugged it in, and take a look at how bright that light is. Super bright. You can really light up a whole room with just this one hexagon. So I went ahead and just mounted this thing with just 2 screws. That's all it took. Put one right here, one right there. I went ahead and plugged it in right there, and take a look at how bright that is. 6,500 Kelvin, 192 watts. This thing is very bright. It's also super lightweight. Literally just needed those 2 screws right there to hold this whole thing on. It looks very elegant, super sturdy. This thing's not going anywhere. That just looks magnificent. It was super easy to install. Literally just took me like a minute, and I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.